All right, here we are on Snack Street in Beijing, China. I'm going to start off tonight with a little crunch. It's a large black scorpion. Oh, really crunchy. No sting. Spicy. Not bad. This is octopus. Or start with a gummy tail. Gummy. You fried it up. You put a lot of spice on it for me. It is spicy. It's not very good. I can tell you that. The piece de resistance, a little dessert. I call it tarantula. So here we go for dessert.
Oh, the whole thing. Oh.
Oh, got a leg. Got a leg. Man, that is good spider right there. Wash it down with a little tin towel. See you next time.